Now we are going to learn about questions, asking questions. Okay, for everything we have to ask questions, then only we can get the answer. Okay, in Hindi, questions means interrogative sentence means present vachak. Present vachak means questions, interrogative sentences. Here we are having 9 types. 9 types of question verbs, question words. In English we are having WH question, okay, WH question and H type question. Okay, likewise we are having here all the questions. See, all the questions start with ka. All the questions starts with ka. The first one we can see count. Count. The pronunciation is count. In English we call it as who. We call it as who. Who are you? तुम कौन हो? तुम कौन हो? It is the simple example for who. Simple example for who. तुम कौन हो means who are you? Who are you? Then for the second one is kya. The pronunciation is kya. The meaning is what. क्या, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? This is the meaning. Then क्या, the meaning is what. The third one is क्यों. Third one is क्यों. Pronunciation is क्यों. The meaning is why. क्यों आप वहाँ ठहरे? क्यों आप वहाँ ठहरे means why you stay there. Okay, why you stay there. Then the fourth one is कैसे. कैसे. Pronunciation is कैसे. The meaning is how. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? Okay, आप कैसे हैं? How are you? This is the meaning. कैसे. Pronunciation is कैसे. The meaning is how. Then the fifth one. We go for the fifth one. The fifth one is कब. कब. When. The meaning is when. आप कब सवेरे उठे? When you sleep in the night. Okay, or when will you wake up in the morning? Okay, कब. कब means when. Then the sixth one is कहाँ. कहाँ. The pronunciation is कहाँ. The meaning is where. आप कहाँ हैं? Where are you? आप कहाँ हैं? Where are you? Okay, likewise we can give the answers also. Likewise we can say the answers also. Answer means uttar. Answer means uttar. Okay, then for the seventh one, kaunsa. Kaunsa. Pronunciation is kaunsa. The meaning is which. The meaning is which. Okay, आज kaunsa दिन है? Which day is today? Okay, kaunsa. Kaunsa which. Then here we can say kitna. Kitna. Pronunciation is kitna. The meaning is how much. How much do you want? आप कितना चाहते हैं? आप कितना चाहते हैं? How much do you want? Then the next one, ninth one is कितने. The pronunciation is कितने. The meaning is how many. How many. आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं? कितने घरे हैं? Okay, how many. कितने कितने. How many. How many dogs you are having? आपके पास कितने कुत्ते हैं? आपके पास कितना पेड़ है? Peड़ means tree. Okay, पेड़ means tree. How many trees you are having in your garden? How many trees you are having in your garden? Okay, let us recollect once again. Here count, count, the pronunciation is count, the meaning is who. We have to recollect the and pronounce it again and again, then only we can say it again, then only we can remember it and allow it. Count, pronunciation is count, who. Then second one is kya, pronunciation is kya, the meaning is what. Then kyun, pronunciation is kyun, meaning is why. Then fourth one is kaise, meaning is how. Then kab, meaning is when. Then kahan, kahan, where. Then kaunsa, kaunsa means which. Okay. Then the eighth one, kitna, kitna, how much. Kitne, how many. Okay. While remembering this, we can ask another people the question verbs. Okay. Use the question verbs in a simple manner. Then you can take a note on this. Take a note on this. Understand?